Welcome to the ultimate LLM inference benchmark for 2026. We tested 12 GPUs across 4 model sizes: Llama 3.8B, Llama 370B, Mixtral 8x7B, and Falcon 180B, measuring tokens per second, time to first token latency, and most importantly, tokens per dollar. The results might surprise you. Our methodology: we used VLLM with continuous batching and FP8 quantization where supported, FP16 otherwise. Each GPU was tested with a fixed workload of 2048 input tokens generating 512 output tokens, at batch sizes from 1 to 64. We measured steady-state throughput after warm-up. Pricing is based on on-demand cloud instance costs where available, or estimated amortized hardware cost for on-premise GPUs. All raw data and reproduction scripts are on GitHub. For Llama 370B inference, the B200 leads in raw throughput at 4,200 tokens per second, followed by the H200 at 2,800. But when we look at tokens per dollar, the metric that actually matters for production, the L40S takes the crown at 42 cents per million tokens, closely followed by the B200 at 38 cents. The H200 is competitive at 45 cents, while the aging A100 costs 72 cents per million tokens, nearly double. For latency-sensitive applications with batch size 1, the rankings shift. The H200 achieves the lowest time to first token thanks to its higher memory bandwidth, making it the best choice for interactive chat applications. Here's our recommendation matrix. For interactive chatbots where every millisecond counts, the H200 delivers the lowest latency. For high-throughput batch processing like document summarization at scale, the B200 is king. For startups and cost-conscious deployments, the L40S offers the best price-performance ratio by a significant margin. And for teams already invested in the AMD ecosystem, the MI300X is surprisingly competitive at 55 cents per million tokens, not class-leading, but entirely viable. The full ranking table and interactive cost calculator are linked in the description.